Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Crossy Road in Subway Surfers. However, it's important to clarify that these are two distinct mobile games. Crossy Road and Subway Surfers are developed by different companies and feature entirely unique gameplay mechanics. You cannot directly play one game within the other, as they operate as separate applications. We'll explore each game individually. Crossy Road is a popular arcade-style endless hopper game where players guide various characters across busy roads, treacherous rivers, and active train tracks. The primary objective is to avoid numerous obstacles like cars, trucks, and trains, while also collecting coins and power-ups. The game challenges your reflexes and strategic thinking to achieve the highest possible score without getting hit. Subway Surfers, on the other hand, is a fast-paced, endless runner mobile game. Players take on the role of a graffiti artist, dodging oncoming trains and other obstacles in a vibrant subway environment. You swipe to move, jump, and slide, collecting coins and power-ups like jetpacks and super sneakers. The goal is to escape the grumpy inspector and his dog, aiming for a new high score. Since Crossy Road and Subway Surfers are separate experiences, the best way to enjoy them is to download and play each game individually. Both offer unique challenges and endless hours of fun on your mobile device. If you enjoy these genres, consider exploring other endless runner or arcade hopper games available in app stores for even more entertainment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.